Hello, today I'm going to show you how to access blocked websites without VPN. Let's start. First of all, open the web browser. Search here Reddit. As you can see, it shows no internet connections. Then click on the window icon from the bottom left corner. Now tap on Settings. From Settings, click on Network and Internet. Then tap on Change Adapter Options. As you can see, it says your network isn't connected to Wi-Fi. Now click on the Internet icon from the bottom right corner. Tap to connect with your network. Then click on Wi-Fi status and go into Properties. Choose your network from here and click on its properties. You can see the properties of your chosen network. You can change the alternate DNS server and preferred DNS server. Remove the alternate DNS server and set the preferred DNS server as 8888. Then tick the checkboxes and click on OK. Now wait for the Windows Network Diagnostics to detect the problem. Open up the web browser and reload the page. Then you can see your internet is now working. Tap to open the Reddit site here. Now you can use your Reddit. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this, and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.